Hello, good morning and welcome traders to the Elite Traders Group morning wrap for the 19th of December 2011. Now guys, we'll be carrying this forward until about Wednesday morning will be our last one for the year, as volume in markets is starting to get a little bit thin. But moving on for today, what have we seen over the weekend after Friday night's US session? I've seen some downside actually today. I've got the Dow Jones cash chart up, but have a look at the Dow Jones futures today, and I've got to go to the next contract now, the March 2012, and we can see they've actually started out in the Asian session with a severe drop. We're now down about 40 points on the day on the Dow. If we have a look at the ASX as well, APH2, I'll look at the SPY futures, these are down about 90 points for the time being. It's had a severe sell-off in just the last couple of hours now. If you've been watching the stock market as well, Australian stocks, you'll notice JB Hi-Fi down 20% on Friday. We saw Billabong down over 33%. Myer, all the retailers taking quite a significant hit, and we've got a bit of data out for this week. So there are possible trades within the Australian equities markets. We're also currently got at the money puts out on from last week. Strike at the time were about 99 even, depending on where we got in, and we've seen that come back a tad bit, but today we are seeing a lot of downside on the Australian dollar, about 45 pips right now. We're expecting further downside as the European session opens. So right now, guys, this is still in a downtrend. We expect further pressured selling over the next couple of days. All we've simply seen over the back end of last week was a bit of a pullback, so expect further downside there. Another one we like to keep an eye on, and we've been looking for a trade in this one, want to take it out as a long call option very shortly on gold. We can see that on the spot market here, it's bottomed out at around this 1550 mark. We've seen a bit of a pullback back towards the 1600 mark. We're going to wait for one more day of confirmation to the upside, then we're going to look at buying some calls through to January on it. So not too long term, but it's taken a hit from 1800 down to where it is $200 now just in a couple of weeks. We do expect at least a dead cat bounce and the price action to confirm above 1650 in the next couple of weeks as well. Silver is one which has very much been closing down. Here we go. Just taking a second there. Very much been closing down day on day, and as we can see, currently trading closer to around that $30. It's had a bit of a pullback once again with the gold market, but I just don't see as much upside within this market as gold right now. Lastly, we're currently holding some short 3-month euro dollars. This is June 2013 contract that we've got up on euro dollar. And it'll just take 1 second to bring up, guys. Hold on. Okay, here it is, and we've actually sold from 99.27 here. We've got a stop loss up at 99.34. Plenty of room there. And again, we're looking just for a bit of further downside within the 3-month euro dollars and interest rate markets, which is looking quite good. Lastly, I almost forgot, we were taken out of a trade on Friday. It was a break even. It was in soy. Now, from the last WASD report that had previously come out, we got short soy at 49.15, so just around here actually is where we got nipped in. We went through a retracement. As we went into profit last Thursday, we put our stop loss to break even, which was our entry at 49.15, and since then the market has run very, very hard. So very happy to get out of that one. No loss, no harm there, but we can see that it's got quite some strength today in the opening of the Asian session. Hey guys, thanks very much for listening to the Elite Traders Group update for this morning. Look, if you're wanting to receive live trade recommendations, if you're wanting discount full service broking and some of the lowest margin requirements in futures, foreign exchange and CFDs in Australia or even internationally, contact us to subscribe. Don't hesitate to send me an email, dib@halifaxonline.com.au. My phone number's down there, both local and international, or at least for the daily reports. Don't hesitate to subscribe and leave a comment in the section below. Thanks very much for your time, everyone. We'll chat again tomorrow. Cheers.